Hi guys, it's been Fat Biker Studio. If this is your first time to tune in to my channel, no? So please subscribe, like, and share. And you can watch my previous videos, no? Lalo yung mga tutorial, you can have those tutorial. And of course, some entertainment and music, meron tayo dyan. Now, for today's topic, no? I would like to share some of the secrets that maybe not everybody knows, the tips and tricks in getting a high subscriber, okay, views or mga monetization. Okay, I would like to focus more on how to get more subscriber kasi more on domino effect na lang yung number of views and monetization kapag maraming nanonood kung marami kang subscriber. Of course, may mga organic, lalo yung mga organic natin, no? And of course, yung mga loyalty subscriber. How to do it ba? Ano bang tips and tricks na lagi binabasa ni YouTube algorithm? So, this is a basic. Please bear with me. Napakabilis lang ito. Ito lang yung mga dapat i-on, dapat i-off para mapansin ang inyong YouTube channel. From 10 subscriber, jumping to 30K subscriber, jumping to 10K subscribers in a lesser time. So, let's get it on, guys. Okay, let's start, guys. No? So, open your respective YouTube studio. Okay? Gamitin natin pangdami itong aking isa sa mga YouTube account ni BN Fat Biker Studio. As you can see, nasa 47.4K na kanyang subscriber at mabilis ko lang ito nakakuha, no? Using this particular settings, and hopefully magagawa nyo rin. Okay, from the YouTube studio, no? Punta kayo ng okay, makikita nyo, punta kayo ng settings. Just click the settings. Okay? Click the settings. Yun lang, no? Okay? Then, from that settings, go to the channel. Channel menu. From the channel menu, makikita nyo yung basic info. From that basic info, makikita nyo yung keywords na naka-default. Huwag nyo leave us empty for that one. So, lalo na kung travel kayo, health kayo, wealth kayo, yan mga normally hinahanap sa YouTube search engine. So, lagyan nyo rin yan sa advanced settings. I want to review this setting. Kasi iba-iba ang ina-upload natin, di ba? Samot-sari, hindi naman lahat tungkol sa travel, hindi naman lahat tungkol sa food. So, you need to review that one para ma-classify, categorize, anong dapat gawin. No, sa channel inside share naman, i-check nyo yan. Check nyo yan. Kasi it will help boost your video pag nakita ng mga ibang advertiser, mga broad third party. So, pamboost yun. Now, going to the next is yun, yung clips. Okay, so my clips. Ayan pala muna, don't show potential inappropriate words. I-click nyo kasi minsan may salita na hindi naman masama pero pag na-interpret ni YouTube, akala niya masama. Like the word FACT, F-A-C-T. Pero ang pagkakarinig ni YouTube, F-U-C-K, di ba? So you need to check that one. The next is sa clips. You need to check also that one. Turn it on. Allow viewers to click my content. Kasi mayroong magbo-boost na ibang content creator, ipe-flex ka, pwedeng gamitin yung video mo, okay, to flex it out, and then magda-direct yan dun mismo sa video mo. Okay, get it? So, ganun kasimple. Make sure naka-on yan. Itong third-party training naman, ino-off ko to. Depende sa inyo, ino-off ko, hindi siya advisable. Kasi pwedeng gamitin to ng third party to generate an AI. So, pag na-generate ang AI yan, pwedeng mag-iba. Hindi na magiging sa inyo yun. Ingat tayo dyan. Don't click it on. Off mo lang. Punta tayo sa upload default. Sa upload default, sa basic info, make sure visibility is always public. Okay? Yung tags, naka-default yan. No? Yan yung normal na hinahanap. Laging sinesearch sa YouTube engine. No? Search engine yan. Yung apat na yan. Naka-default na yan. Every upload, nandun siya. Kasama siya sa YouTube tags mo. Okay? So, ganyan kasimple. How to get more videos, how to grow YouTube, Faceless YouTube channel, and the YouTube automation. Sa advanced settings naman, okay, sometimes, makikita yan yung allow automatic chapters and key moments. Sa ako, ino-off ko yan. Unless gumagawa ka ng comedy series o serye ng mga papatawa o anumang pagluluto. Chapter by chapter. Pero, it depends on you. Sa akin, hindi. Kasi hindi naman ako nagcha-chapter-chapter. And then, Then, of course, you need to select ano ba ang niche nyo. Okay? Ano ba sa akin magaling? Sa how and style? Saan mo talaga yung video nyo? So sa akin, mostly how to and style. Kasi mostly na malalaking mga YouTube channel, yun ang ginagamit nila. And going now to the ad categories, no? It's not categories. Permission, of course, standard yan. And yung huli is yung community moderation. Make sure naka-on at nakalagay sa basic. Huwag nyo i-off, huwag nyo i-strict masyado. Baka wala na makapanood, hindi na ma-flex yung YouTube video. And of course, block those words na pwede maka-turn down o negative review ng inyong YouTube. The rest are as is, where is, pero yung sinabing sa inyo na mga settings ay yun ang mga critical para mag-jumpstart kayo from 10 subscriber going to 10K, 20K, and 30K. So watch out more. Comment below ano pa ang gusto ninyong matutunan about growing your YouTube channel. Thank you po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat. This is Bill Fat Biker Studio.